April 23 to 27, the 135th China Import and Export Fair Canton Fair was held in the beautiful city of Guangzhou. This year, Miglio Furniture was awarded the brand booth in Canton Fair, which is of great significance to the future development of the company. The company organized staff from R&D, production and purchasing departments together with the business team to go to the exhibition to provide a better service for customers. The diversified upholstered furniture and novel and chic design concepts attracted the favor and love of many visitors, ushered in a large number of new and old customers at home and abroad to visit and business negotiations and achieve remarkable business results. In September 2024, we will go to Shanghai to participate in the 29th China International Furniture Expo and 2024 Modern Shanghai Fashion Home Show. We are looking forward to your visit.